Have you ever wondered what secrets the ancient pyramids of Egypt are still hiding? For thousands of years, these colossal structures have stood as silent witnesses to a lost world. But what do we really know about them? Let's dive into the story of how they came to be. It all started around 2630 BC with the Step Pyramid of Djoser. This wasn't the smooth, triangular shape we think of today. Instead, it looked like giant steps stacked on top of each other, marking the very beginning of large-scale stone construction in Egypt. It was a revolutionary project, setting the stage for what was to come. A few generations later, Pharaoh Snofru, the father of the famous Khufu, perfected the design. He built the first true, smooth-sided pyramid, known as the Red Pyramid. This breakthrough led directly to the magnificent pyramids we see at Giza. The grandest of them all is the Great Pyramid of Khufu, built around 2600 BC for over 3,800 years. It was the tallest man-made structure on Earth. These pyramids weren't just monuments, they were elaborate royal tombs. They were part of vast complexes designed to ensure the pharaohs' safe journey into the afterlife and provide everything they need in the next world. But how on earth did they build them? This is one of history's greatest puzzles. Forget the old myths about slaves. Modern evidence shows the pyramids were built by skilled paid workers who were well-fed and respected. They moved massive blocks of limestone and granite, some weighing up to an incredible 80 tons. To do this, they likely used a clever system of ramps, sledges, ropes, and levers. Recent discoveries also suggest a now vanished branch of the Nile River, called the Ahramat branch, flowed right up to the Giza plateau, allowing workers to transport these heavy blocks by boat. The precision of their work is just staggering. The Great Pyramid is aligned almost perfectly with the 4 cardinal directions: north, south, east, and west. Some theories even suggest its layout mirrors the stars in Orion's belt. The mortars they used to bind the blocks is another mystery. Even with our modern chemistry, we haven't been able to fully replicate its strength and durability. And the mysteries don't stop there. Did you know the pyramids we see today look nothing like they did originally? They were covered in highly polished, white limestone casing stones. Imagine seeing them back then, gleaming brilliantly under the Egyptian sun like giant, white jewels. Over centuries, these casing stones were stripped away to build other structures, leaving the rougher core we see today. Here's another mind-bending fact. Despite being built as the ultimate tomb for Pharaoh Khufu, no mummy has ever been found inside the Great Pyramid. The sarcophagus is there, but it's empty. So where did the pharaoh go? Was he ever even there? It's a question that has baffled historians for centuries. And what if the pyramid hasn't revealed all its secrets? Using advanced technology like cosmic ray scanning, scientists have recently detected large, hidden voids and corridors inside the Great Pyramid. What are these chambers for? What treasures or knowledge could be sealed within them, waiting to be discovered? It feels like we're on the cusp of a major breakthrough that could rewrite history. From their revolutionary beginnings to the undiscovered chambers within, the pyramids continue to captivate us, proving that some mysteries are truly timeless. Thanks for watching. If you're fascinated by ancient mysteries, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more deep dives into the past. See you next time.